this video we'll see how to make pineapple raita, which you can eat with any paratha of your choice. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 3 heaped tablespoons of Greek yogurt, add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, crushed pepper as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and give it a good mix. Add 5 tablespoons of chopped pineapple and mix it thoroughly. Sweet, tangy and a bit spicy pineapple raita is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.